Hey everyone, I'm here today with a giveaway update and my first entry to my giveaway over on Instagram, which is Nina's Crafty Mom, and I'll have the link below. So my giveaway basically is you send a file folder with a pocket letter inside and a letter with your name, your address, your likes, your dislikes, number of pets, or just things about you, your favorite collections, definitely your birthday. And I'm gonna have like a little either binder of these or just keep them all together with rings like this. And then when I send Happy Mail or I'm doing swaps with you guys, I'll have like a little folder with your information and your style of crafting by looking at your pocket letter. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I think my prizes are pretty good. It's a collection. I totally forgot. I think it's Hey Hello. I think it's Hey Hello. It's over on my Instagram. And also I have two prizes addition that people were so kind to donate. One is from Boutique Charms on Etsy, and she has donated $20 gift card. And then I have another prize that's going to be announced shortly. So basically, if you just want to enter the giveaway but you don't want to make anything, that's totally fine. You share my giveaway post on Instagram on your feed or the story. Definitely tag me so I know, and then you'll be entered to win those other two. So the main one is international, the other two are US only, and you can be entered in all three. You just can only win once, okay? So hopefully that clarifies everything. If you have questions, just let me know. All right, so this is from Tiffany. Hey Tiffany, she is Girl O Crafter, I believe, and she has made me this beautiful I think the collection, it's Maggie Holmes, I think, or crepe paper. I'll show you guys. Anyways, it says hello friend, and it has these really pretty binder rings, pink, and I was inspired by the swap I did with Mary, who is Sweet Gerber Daisy. She has a giveaway going on too. She had sent me a pocket letter in a folder like this in our swap, and I was like, oh my god, I love this. So look at this. I'm blanking on the I think it's Wild Heart. I don't know. You guys let me know. But she made this beautiful pocket letter. It's amazing. I love all the summery colors, and they're bright. Look at this beautiful rosette that she stitched. I cannot get that to work. That looks so pretty when it's stitched. And the llamas. I love, love, love it. Thank you so much, Tiffany. Like, this is amazing. I love it. I was so excited to open it. Oh, let me show you guys. Where did I put it? Hang on. Sorry about that. So in there was a kitty mask. She knows I love cats, and she has a kitty too. And I can't wait to wear this. So cute. It was over here. So then we have the pocket letter, and then on the back is all these goodies. We have some bling, beautiful sequins mix, some cute post-its. I love that color. And look at these. These match the collection. And then over here is a sewn pocket, which has the rosette in the front and the beautiful sequins in the back. And over here, let me take this out and put this down for you guys. She made this super cute sewn paper trim. And then she gave me some sunflower seeds. And I don't think she knew I started a garden this year, so this is amazing. Love it. Then we have some pomegranate raspberry tea. Oh, my stuff's coming out. And then we have some glitter puffy stickers, shaker stickers, I believe, from Damask. So cute. And then my letter. And there's that. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.